Gojushiho Dai! Gojushiho Dai! What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson we're learning kata Gojushiho Dai. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Hey, kata Gojushiho Dai. It is very similar to Gojushiho Sho. They both have 54 steps and are both considered one of the most advanced kata in Shotokan karate. This kata is famous for its Nekowashidachi cat stance and the Ippon Nukite, the finger poke. So keep those in mind after we do the kata. So, take your bow. Announce your kata. Gojushiho Dai. Yo. First move, I'm gonna go rising uraken, okay, into Zen Kutsudachi. From here, both my hands chamber to my side, okay, as I step out to the 45-degree angle and raise my hands up to my shoulder level. Repeat on the right hand side. From here, tate shuto to the left corner, pull hips back into hamni position, and double punch, maigeri keage, gyakuzuki. Repeat on the other side. From here, each 1, 2, maigeri ham, and gyakuzuki. From here, I go rising elbow with my right hand, stepping into Zen Kutsudachi. From here, turn around, catch the leg, and strike. So from the rising elbow, I turn around, catch the kick, catch your opponent's leg, and strike. Okay, with your palm right here, okay, left hand underneath, Zen Kutsudachi. From here, my left leg pivots open, right hand forms into Ippon Nukite, okay, one finger poke right here, and then circle with my right leg and right hand. Okay, Ippon Nukite stays about shoulder height. So I'm here, compress, and then frame out. Keep my elbow nice and tight, not out to the side. So I'm here, strike 1, strike 2, and strike 3. Turn around. Same thing. Repeat the sequence. Frame, strike 1, strike 2, and strike 3. Catch and throw. From here, I cross over with my right leg, like Tekki shodan. Now from here, I take my arms, reach to the corner. At the same time, left knee opens up, then strike down low. Okay, 1, 2, open your hands. Okay, so note that these hands are closed, then I open to the other side. Eyes looking to my right, cross over with my left, reach to the left side, right knee comes up, and throw down. Okay, hands are closed. From here, I go into the signature position, okay, circling the hands and feet to Ippon Nukite, winding up, 1, then. So this move was Geran Haito Uchi, low strike, open hand. And from here, take my right hand over the top, kind of land in a uraken position, Zen Kutsudachi, hips in hamni position. From here, another Geran Haito. Okay, over, pull hips back. Now from here, my right leg, right hand, itch, knee. Okay, this actually hurts. Kind of like a woodpecker right here. And boom, maigeri keage. As I pull it back, wind up for downward block. Instead of block, left hand, boom, strikes up under my opponent's chin. From here, we go into the signature position of the kata. We wind up, strike, again, and spin around, catch and throw. I cross over with my right leg. Okay, frame, and land. Left hand on my hip, right hand spear hand thrust. Use your hips to open up to your right side. From here, my left leg crosses over, frame, and strong pose right here. Okay, same position, left hand, right hand spear hand thrust. From here, opening move, and then compression, height, hammer fist. A tetsui here, hibadachi, and HEIAN. Just basic oizuki going forward. From here, raise my fist up. Okay, someone's hugging me, so I'm trying to get out. From here, headbutt, and back here, and throw. Once you reach this position, 2 hands drop down, left leg pivots open, get into neko washidachi, cat stance. Okay, both hands to the side. From here, both hands in ippon nukite, shoulder height. Okay, you're blocked. From here, okay, strike to your opponent's groin, back up. From here, finish strong. Turn around, finish in the signature position of the kata, nice and compressed. And yame. Hai, bow, os. Alright, so now that you guys have a better understanding of the kata, I'm going to count it out for you guys step by step. So let's get right into it. Hai, take your bow, os. Announce the kata. Gojushiho Dai, ayoi. First move, ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rook. Sitch. Punch. Ku. Ju. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rook. Sitch. Hutch. Ku. Yu. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rook. Sitch. Hutch. Ku. Ju. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Rook. Sitch. Hutch. Ku. Ai. Ju. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Ai. Rook. Hayame. Hai ba.